Okay, so concerning the current situation with Bitcoin, BTC today, what we're going to do is we're going to take a good look at Bitcoin, analyze it thoroughly, and then try to project, where it's headed, considering what's happened over the past few days as we face off against what's coming. So today, as you can clearly see right here, it appears that Bitcoin, it is situated here. Within the last 24-hour period, it ascended quite significantly on the indicator, reaching the absolute top of the indicator's range, and then consequently experienced something of a pullback, all the way down to, well, let's say around the 2,300 approximately. This is, precisely what I had previously mentioned concerning the pattern. A top, followed by a pull, then a bank, and then another pullback, or perhaps a wick to the left. It's, fundamentally the very same pattern, and it always plays out in a similar fashion. So, we'll just see how long this particular trend lasts until the very end.